Justifying circumstances and circumstances which exempt from criminal liability. Article 11. Justifying circumstances. The following do not incur any criminal liability. Paragraph 1. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or rights provided that the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Paragraph 2. Anyone who acts in defense of the person or rights of his spouse, ascendants, descendants, or legitimate, natural, or adopted brothers or sisters, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degrees, and those by consanguinity within the fourth civil degree, provided that the first and second requisites prescribed in the next preceding circumstance are present, and the further requisites in case the provocation was given by the person attacked, that the one making defense had no part therein. Paragraph 3. Anyone who acts in defense of the person or rights of a stranger, provided that the first and second requisite mentioned in the first circumstance of his article are present, and that the person defending be not induced by revenge, resentment, or other evil motive. Paragraph 4. Any person who, in order to avoid an evil or injury, does an act which cause damage to another, provided that the following requisites are present. First, that the evil sought to be avoided actually exists. Second, that the injury feared be greater than that done to avoid it. Third, that there be no other practical and less harmful means of preventing it. Paragraph 5. Any person who acts in the fulfillment of a duty or in the lawful exercise of a right or office. Paragraph 6. Any person who acts in obedience to an order issued by a superior for some lawful purpose.